Hi friend, I'm Nisha. Welcome to my new another video. So friend, this video is going to be very important. In this video, I am going to share with you one of my experience which I have acquired by talking with different people on different speaking English platform who has done BTech, pursuing MBA for preparing for job, for preparing for interview and learning this language. When I asked to them, why are you learning this language? Do you know their answer? Their answer is, it is important for my career, for getting better job, for cracking interview. And in this way, I got to know importance of English, that how it is important for getting a better job, for making our career, for getting better job in our own country, in India. Forget about other country. In India, if we want to get better job, make your career better, then you should know how to speak English. If I talk about myself, so I didn't know importance of English. I only knew speaking English means intelligent people. Who speak English, he or she is intelligent. So I didn't know. I just started learning this language because I wanted to be an intelligent person. I also wanted to speak English and think that if I speak English, then people should be, surprised. Oh, she is speaking English. She must be intelligent. With this thought, I started. But after talking with so many people, I got to know how it is important, how vital role it play in our career for getting better job, and so many benefit we get if we know how to speak English. So I'm telling, for those people who are willing to learn this language, who are thinking to learn this language, who has why reason to learn this language, I am telling to them, my friend, don't waste your time. Don't wait. If you are waiting somewhere for perfect moment, for perfect time, for becoming perfect and then start your journey, then you are wasting your time, also yourself. You are not only wasting your time, but also you are wasting yourself also. Because after talking with many of people who has done some courses, good courses, best courses, which we think in our village, if someone has done such courses, for them job is ready. They don't have to struggle for job. Only they have to finish their course and get the job. But nothing is like that. After talking to them, I got to know they are also struggling for getting good job in good sector. So in your case, I want to aware you, if you are pursuing any course, graduation, yeah, studying in 12th, 10th, yeah, whatever reason you have, start learning now, because in future it is going to come in your way. And when you will go for job, for searching job, that time you will face it, you will have to learn it, you will have to give time for learning it, and you will have to learn. So why not to start now and learn this language? So my friend, whosoever has not decided, for them I'm telling, start, you know and decide, learn this language. But and who has reason and willing to learn this language, but somewhere, because of some reason, of perfect time, for perfect moment, for perfect guidance, for perfect support, if they are not starting their journey, so my friend, I'm telling you, you are wasting your time and yourself. Why? Because perfect time doesn't exist. When you start, when you take first step, that is the perfect moment, that is perfect, start, perfect time. And don't wait for full guidance. Whatever knowledge you have acquired, don't wait for full guidance. That when you will have full guidance how to learn English, how to speak English, then you will start. So my friend, in this case also you are wasting your time. See, in case of me, when I decided to learn this language, I didn't know a lot of things, how to learn English, how to speak English. Only I knew I have to speak, and I got to know one application. And over there I went, started, making call, connecting with the people. And my co-learner who were senior than me, they helped me, they guided me. I didn't have guidance. If I had not started my journey just because of complete guidance, so today I would not be speaking in front of you and making video for you. With my little knowledge, whatever I knew little, with that I started. And other people, my co-learner, they helped me, they guided me what should I do for learning English, for improving English. जब भी हम कहीं जाते हैं, कहीं कहीं पे भी जाते हैं और हमें जगह का जो है नाम पता होता है कि हमें इस जगह पे जाना है, लेकिन हमें रास्ते नहीं पता होता है, तो हम क्या करते हैं, हम लोगों से पूछते हैं कि वहाँ जाने का रास्ता कैसे होके जाएगा, और लोग जो है हमें गाइड कर देते हैं अपने लाइफ में. सो सिमिलरली, whatever you have gathered, start with that. Once you will start learning, speaking, connecting with the people, they will guide you and tell you what you should do next. In case of me, same thing happened. I knew little, because here at my home, in my village, nobody knows. And I was only alone with this desire to speak English. I started with little information, and other people helped me, guided me. What should I do? In case of my YouTube journey also, when I thought, decided to start my YouTube, that time also nobody was around me who could guide me, tell me how to start, how to make channel, how to create video. In my family, in my relative, in my friend circle, in my village, if someone is doing so, I don't know. And but around me, with me, nobody was. How I started? How? Only I had desire to start my YouTube, but I didn't know how to create YouTube channel. So, who helped me? YouTube. YouTube videos helped me. I watched YouTube videos, how to create channel, how to make video, and that's how I worked hard, created channel. It was not easy, it was difficult. I gave lot of time behind it and started my YouTube channel, started recording. So see, whatever little knowledge I had gathered, I started with that. I didn't wait for perfect moment. And this time I'm able to speak, I'm able to create, I'm a YouTuber. But also I am learning, I am a learner also. I'm learning every day new things, improving also. So how it happened? Because I took a step. Whatever I had, I knew, I started with that. I didn't wait. So in your case, my friend, I'm telling you, don't wait for perfect moment, for complete guidance. Whatever you have, start with that. Because life doesn't reward who wait, it rewards who move, who take action, who take first step. So take your first step, take the action, take the step, and start your journey, whatever you want. And this time, if you don't have anyone who could guide you, tell you it's okay, you have phone, you have mobile phone, go on YouTube and get the information, learn from there and start. Once you will start, then in the journey you will meet with so many people, and that's how you are going to learn, experience and improve. So my dear friend, here also I'm telling you all people, don't waste your time, start from today. Who has reason why they should learn English and who has not, for them also I'm telling you why, because in future it will come in their way, they will have to learn this language. So why not to start now, so that in future they will not have to invest some extra time for learning. This time they can do with their academic, with their courses, with their graduation. So whether you are a student, housewife, any person, anyone, just start learning this. It is going to benefit you. Just know one thing, it is going to benefit you anyway. Don't think that you are housewife, yeah, you are businessman, yeah, you are shopkeeper, so it is not beneficial for you. No, it is beneficial for everybody. Just start. You will get in future, you will feel in future how it is going to benefit you. So my friend, this I wanted to tell you, because after talking with many of people I realized it. When I thought to decided, I didn't know that it is that much important. Only just I started because speak the person who speak English is intelligent person. I thought I will also speak and people will consider me I am intelligent, but nothing is like that. I got to know, but yeah, I got to know also how it is important, and going to give us more benefit if we know English. So I hope you like this video, and this all information. If you, then please like, share and subscribe. For today that's it. Bye bye, we will meet in next video.